Acquiring new customers is costly. Retaining them is where profits explode. AI makes customer retention predictive, personal, and fully automated. So let's start with the first website, right, or first platform. Retention X uses AI to identify who's about to churn and triggers custom retention campaigns automatically. On to the next one. Optimove personalizes communication across email, SMS, and in-app messaging based on real-time user behavior. Moving on, Zendesk AI learns from every interaction to improve support quality and predict recurring issues before they even happen. Moving on, HubSpot Service Hub analyzes customer satisfaction trends and recommends loyalty actions dynamically. Lastly, Intercom Fin AI conversational retention engages users instantly, turning complaints into reactivations. So combine Retention X for predictions with Intercom Fin for proactive engagement. Your churn rate will drop dramatically. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.